So now after installing the Flutter SDK, the next step is setting up the Android Studio, because using Android Studio, we are going to build our Flutter applications. So in order to install Android Studio, inside your browser, type Android Studio and press enter. And there you can see the results. So open this first link, developer.android.com studio. And there you can see this page, and here you will gonna get this download Android Studio button, and this is the latest version of Android Studio available in March 2024. So just click on it and it will gonna show you this agreement screen. So click on this check mark, and then if you got a Mac with Intel chip, then click on this download button, and if you got an Apple chip, then download this one. So as I got this Intel chip, so I will gonna click on it, and there you can see the download started. So now let's wait for this download to be completed. So now the download of Android Studio is completed and we got this DMG file here. So just simply double tap on it and it will gonna show you this window. So here move this Android Studio inside application folder, and after that open this launchpad, and here you will be able to find Android Studio. So just simply click on it. And then you will get this pop-up, so simply click on this don't send button. And then you will get this welcome Android Studio screen. So here simply click on this next button, and then you can select the standard or custom type. So if you will select custom, then you can customize installation settings and components installed. But we will go with this standard, so then click next. And here you will find some SDK components and tools which need to be downloaded. So click next. And then you need to agree for these license. So click on this accept button, and then click on this Android SDK ARM and click on accept as well. Then click finish, and these components will gonna start downloading, and once they finish, our Android Studio will be ready. So there you can see these components are being downloaded, and it will gonna take some time. So now all the components are downloaded, so click on this finish button and Android Studio will be opened. But at this point inside Android Studio, we cannot create a Flutter project. And to create a Flutter project, we need to install Flutter plugin. So in the side pane, click on plugins and then search for Flutter. So Flutter. And there you can see the result. So the first result is this Flutter plugin. So just click on this install and it will gonna ask you to accept these conditions. So just accept it. And there you can see the Flutter plugin is installed and it is asking to restart IDE. So click on this button and our Android Studio will be restarted. And there you can see Android Studio is restarted, and now we got this new Flutter project button, and earlier this button was not there. So it means that now inside Android Studio we can create a Flutter project.